Welcome to Portland, Oregon. Today, I'm gonna give you a little walking tour to Rose City. So come on, walk with me, huh? No, seriously, come on, come with me. Listen, if I was gonna whack you, you'd already be dead. Let's go. There's too many bridges. Eh? You know, pick a side of the river you want to stay on. Just stay there already, all this back and forth. Huh? Too many bikes. Huh? Get a Cadillac already. You hippies. Too many hippies. Too much coffee, huh? How's the city supposed to sleep at night, huh? Come on. Huh? Too much coffee. Too many books. Listen, you're gonna read one book in your lifetime. Read the screenplay to Heat. Huh? It's fantastic. There's too many books. Walk me this way. Hi, Robert De Niro. Robert De Niro grabbing a donut, huh? Yeah, because I'm talking to you, but you're talking to me? Yeah, I'm talking to you, talking to me. Too many donuts in this town, huh? Voodoo? How you gonna end up looking like me in Raging Bull, huh? Come on, it's too many donuts. You got the bacon on there. Pepto-Bismol's too many. That's too much, huh? Go ahead, fellas, huh? There's too many food carts here, huh? You just get Marty Scorsese's mom to make you some baked ziti. Come on, you hippies, huh? Too many beers. Don't give me a martini, shot of Jack. It's too much, huh? Again, you'll be fat like Raging Bull, fellas.
We're getting husky.
That's all right, husky man. You know, I've been there. You win an Oscar with your husk. You know what I mean?
Please, if only. Are you gonna nominate me?
You know what I mean? Yeah, nominate this right here. I'm nominating this right here. We got a little beer, baby. Name him Bobby. Huh? Name the beer, baby, Bobby. Guys, I like this. I like this. It's all right. Squirt it out. What is this? Not too much fucking weed, huh? Give me that. You're gonna stone your brains out with all this weed, huh? You're trying to live in some sort of tie-dye hippie gazebo? Too many hippies. Strip clubs. Never too many. Come on. Just dance on me. Come on, get in here. Come on. Come on, why don't you? Let's go. Look at this. Look at this down here. It's nice. It's real good. Look at that. It's perfect. It's like a peach right here. That's pretty good. Look at you, darling. You're good. You're good at your job. Thank you for coming to Robert De Niro's Portland walking tour. This is Jesse. And let's just say I'm not going to do any walking for a while. You're a good you. Hope you enjoyed. Now get out of here. That's my dance. Go. Get out of here. It's my time. Come on. Keep going.